Most people won't realize the truth about retirement until it's too late. They've saved, they've planned, they've done what they were told, and yet they still end up working into their 70s, stressed and uncertain. In this video, I'll show you the real reasons why traditional retirement planning fails, and what you can do now to take back control. Point 1. Retirement is getting more expensive. Fast. The rising costs of healthcare and living expenses complicate retirement. As individuals plan for their golden years, it becomes essential to account for these increasing expenses, ensuring that savings and investments can provide sufficient support for a comfortable lifestyle without the burden of financial strain. Preparing wisely now can make all the difference later. Life expectancy is rising, but savings aren't. A longer retirement means you'll need to rethink your finances, saving strategies, and lifestyle choices to ensure lasting security. In that case, you must plan for an extended period of financial independence, incorporating innovative investment strategies and careful budgeting to maintain your quality of life while adapting to the unexpected challenges that may arise during such a lengthy retirement. Healthcare costs in retirement are skyrocketing. Fidelity reports that the average retiree couple will spend over $300,000 on healthcare alone. As healthcare costs continue to rise, planning for retirement becomes increasingly critical for couples. The staggering sum highlights the need for thorough financial planning. In summary, retirees must be prepared for the significant financial burden that healthcare presents, ensuring their plans account for these rising costs. By prioritizing healthcare in their budget, couples can secure a more comfortable and worry-free retirement, allowing them to enjoy their golden years. Inflation is eroding the value of your nest egg. $1 today won't stretch far in 15 to 20 years if you're not earning more to offset it. The dollar will lose its value over time, making it crucial to find ways to consistently increase your income. Ultimately, understanding the importance of financial growth ensures a secure future where our hard-earned dollars retain their value. Prioritizing diverse income streams and responsible investments is crucial for building wealth that lasts and safeguarding against the inevitable impact of inflation. Plan today for a brighter tomorrow. Investing in your financial literacy. Point 2. The traditional model is built on faulty assumptions. The traditional model fails to represent reality accurately. The assumptions made are flawed. In reevaluating these core beliefs, it becomes evident that they hinder progress and innovation, urging us to seek alternative frameworks that embrace complexity and adaptability. Only through this shift can we truly align our understandings with the dynamic nature of the world around us. It assumes consistent returns, but markets crashed. The sudden collapse left many families scrambling for stability and security. In the wake of the financial disaster, the dreams of homeownership and retirement dissolved for countless individuals, highlighting the fragile nature of economic prosperity. The scars of that day remained, serving as a somber reminder of the need for vigilance and preparedness in uncertain times. It assumes you'll need less money in retirement. What if you could find a way to balance all these desires and still thrive? Traveling, supporting family, and enjoying life are all achievable goals. In doing so, you create a fulfilling existence where happiness intertwines with responsibility. Embrace the journey, knowing that every step taken is a step towards a life rich with experience, love, and adventure that nourishes your soul. It assumes Social Security will cover the gap. Social Security, initially designed as a safety net, faces decline, urging individuals to seek additional financial strategies for retirement. In conclusion, as we navigate an evolving financial landscape, it is essential to broaden our retirement strategies by embracing proactive planning to ensure stability and security beyond the limitations of Social Security. Adapting is the key to a secure future. Point 3. Why digital income changes the game. The digital income revolution is transforming traditional financial systems. Digital income transforms opportunities. In the ever-evolving landscape of finance, embracing digital income is not just an option. It's a necessity for survival and growth. Those who adapt will thrive, while others may struggle to do so. It's time to embrace the future of financial empowerment. You can earn while you sleep, not while you work. Digital products allow you to reach a larger audience, maximizing revenue while minimizing effort. Digital products can transform businesses, creating opportunities for growth and innovation in ways traditional products cannot. By harnessing the power of digital technology, you unlock new avenues for success and streamline operations, ultimately leading to a more sustainable future for your enterprise. Embrace the digital revolution. You don't need a storefront, warehouse, or team. Just a laptop and an internet connection can unlock endless possibilities. The journey of discovery is fueled by curiosity, and with the proper guidance, anyone can navigate this vast digital landscape. Embracing technology opens doors to a world of knowledge, creativity, and opportunities waiting to be explored. The only limit is one's own imagination. You can build it alongside your job without starting from scratch. Legacy Builder 2.0 empowers you to start small, letting you blend your ambitions with your current commitments, ensuring a smooth transition into your new venture. With the proper support and resources, you can build a legacy that not only fulfills your aspirations but also enriches future generations. Take the leap today and turn your dreams into a lasting reality with Legacy Builder 2.0. Let's chat. What's your biggest fear about retirement? Share it in the comments below. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll reveal why saving more money might not be the solution you think, and discover what really works.